Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can rename your project in CapCut. So it's very easy. You are going to open the CapCut apps and here appears your videos, your project here. So to rename, just click three dot in the right on the video, just click it and just click rename, so you can type your project name. So for instance, sorry, this project, okay, this project, just click OK. So it has been renamed. Okay, that's how to rename our project in CapCut. It's basic, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.